Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn about criteria for similarity of triangles. Children, you know two figures are known as similar figures if they possess same shape but different size. And if we are talking about two triangles, that means the shape is same, that is triangle, but they will be of different size. Now let's see, if we have two different triangles of different sizes, then how I can say that the given triangles are similar or not. So first of all, we will be learning AA criteria, or I can say AAA criteria, because if two angles of two triangles are equal, then third will be automatically equal. So let's suppose this is my triangle ABC and this is my triangle PQR. So here I have written AAA or AA. That means if any of the two angles are equal, then I can say triangle ABC is similar to. Now children, here you need to write the things in a very proper and arranged way. Here you have taken A. Now angle A is equal to angle P. That's why you will be writing it as P. Now in the second place I have written B. Now B is equal to Q. So here I will be writing Q and then the rest of the thing. That means the R. Let's suppose I have triangle ABC and let's suppose this is my PQR. Let A is equal to P and C equal to Q. Alright. Now how you are going to write the similar triangles? You are going to write it like this. First triangle you can write ABC or in any order you want. But when you are writing the second triangle, then you have to keep in mind that if I have taken here A, then A is equal to which corresponding angle? So this is P. So I will be writing it as P. Second is B. So here I have not written anything that B is equal to which angle. So I will be leaving a space for it. Then you see it is the third place is C. So C is equal to Q. That means third place will be taken by Q and this R will be at second position. So this is very important to maintain the sequence according to the equal corresponding angles. Now for second we have SSS criteria. Now children, in congruency you have learned that if all the sides of a triangle are equal, then we say that it is a congruent triangle. But when you are working on similarity of triangles, then SSS means that ratio of the corresponding angles should be equal. Alright, let's suppose I am taking this angle, this triangle ABC and PQR. Alright, now if these two triangles are there and if I want to prove them similar, and if I prove it that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, then I can say these two triangles are similar. So I can say triangle ABC, but again here you need to be very careful. I have written triangle ABC. Now you see, you have written AB by PQ. That means PQ will come first, and then here you have written BC by QR. BC QR. So you will be writing it like this. Let's suppose if my triangle is there which is ABC and triangle PQR, and if it is written like this, AB by let's suppose it is written AB by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by PQ. If it is written like this, that means here triangle ABC is similar to, you need to consider the sequence of this like this. It is written AB first and it is QR. So I will be writing it as QR and the left vertex is P. So triangle ABC is similar to QRP. So this is SSS criteria, similarity criteria. That means if you have ratio of the corresponding angles equal or proportional, then you can say that two triangles are similar. Now you come to the third one, which is SAS, which says if you have ratio of the corresponding sides, you have the corresponding sides ratio. Let's see in the figure. Let's suppose this is my triangle ABC and this is PQR. Let angle C is equal to R. Now if it is SAS, then what you need to do? You need to see that which angle is there, angle C, which is made by AC and BC. So you will be taking the ratio of the which two corresponding sides. It should be AC by PR. That means AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR and angle C equal to angle R. Now you see this angle C is made by AC and BC. That's why I have written here AC and BC. And this is again PR and QR. So PR and QR I have taken. In your congruency case, what you were doing, you were just looking for two equal sides and the angle which is coming in between them. So similarly here also I am looking to proportional sides. That means the ratio of the corresponding side should be equal and the angle should come in between. So here I am taking these two as my proportional sides and this is the angle which is coming in between. So here I can say now triangle ABC is similar to, now which triangle you will be writing here? A is equal to, that you don't know, angle C you know, C is there at the third position. That means at last I will be writing R, but then I have written here like this AC by PR. That means AC, A to C I am moving, that means I will be moving it like this only, PR. So I will be writing Q in between. Here I have written it like this. You can always cross check it. Here it is written AC by PR, AC the first and the last term, PR the first and the last term, BC that means last two terms, here again it is QR. So we are correct. And here angle C equal to angle R, that means this is at the third position and this is again the third position. So here we will be writing triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So these are the simple three criteria by which you can prove two triangles as similar. AAA, SSS and SAS. Have a look.